Wow. Thank you, Guillermo Mendoza Foundation, for recognizing us and for this recognition. It truly means a lot. I'd actually want to thank a few people. First, of course, I'd like to thank you guys sa lahat ng sumusuporta, sa lahat ng pagmamahal nyo. Grabe, maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, to my ABS-CBN family, the bosses, thank you so much. My team, my family, Mom, I know you're here. Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mom. And of course, Nato, thank you. And lastly, Father God Almighty, thank you. I hope I continue to inspire other people with the talents you've given me. Thank you.
Ayan, sinabi mo na ata lahat. Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Paano ba ito? Okay na to. Mas cute na medyo.
Bingo!
I love you too. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po, Guillermo Foundation, for this award. It's so nice to be sharing this with you. And sa lahat ng mga supporters natin, maraming salamat. Siyempre, to God be the glory always. Salamat po sa sumuporta ng Can't Buy Me Love. We love you guys very much and have an amazing night. Thank you.